We just got delivery of our new Hotpoint first edition 6kg tumble dryer, which kind of matches our existing Hotpoint washing machine. This is the first load of washing to go in it, because we live near Glasgow and it's raining pretty much all summer. So a mixture of t-shirts and towels going in, pair of pants. Shut the door. Our last tumble dryer, which was a horrible thing, took about 3 hours to wash, to dry that lot. I'm going to put this in for 60 minutes on the hot temperature. Heat is the button in, and there we go. Off she goes. And so here we are 1 hour later. Get the basket over, oops, and get the washing in, and I can tell you, after 60 minutes, that's two big bath towels, another wee towel, a hand cloth, a pair of pants, some socks, t-shirt, another wee towel, bone dry, absolutely bone dry. So well done, Hotpoint. Lovely.